Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a medium pet toy to grow a garden. First, choose a sturdy, non-toxic pet toy, perhaps one made of hard rubber or plastic, that can hold about 1 to 2 cups of soil. It's crucial that your chosen toy has proper drainage. If not, carefully create 3 or 4 small holes, each about 1/4 inch in diameter, at the bottom. This prevents waterlogging and keeps your plant healthy. Now, let's get planting. Fill your pet toy almost to the top with a good quality potting mix, leaving about 1/2 inch of space from the rim. Next, carefully place your chosen seeds or a small plant, like a basil seedling or a tiny succulent, into the center. Gently cover the roots with more soil, ensuring the plant is stable and upright. This provides a cozy home for your new green friend. Proper watering is key for your pet toy garden's success. After planting, give it a good drink until you see water coming out of the drainage holes. Then, find a sunny spot where your mini garden can soak up at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Check the soil every 2 or 3 days. When the top 1 inch feels dry to the touch, it's time for another watering. To keep your pet toy garden thriving, rotate it every few days so all sides of the plant receive adequate light. Consider feeding your plant a diluted liquid fertilizer, perhaps at 1/4 strength, every 2 to 4 weeks during its growing season. When your herbs or flowers are ready, carefully snip off what you need. This encourages the plant to produce even more lovely growth for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.